Today we are going to show this amazing stunning text effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me go to home, go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now let me go to insert tab, go to shape and take a rectangle shape. Drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, make it white background one darker 15%. Now this is perfect. Now let me go to again insert tab, go to shape, take a text box and drag over here like this. Now here write your text. Let me write here PowerPoint. Now this is perfect. Select the text, go to font and change the font from here and to impact. Now increase the font size. Now adjust the text box from here. Now keep them into center and adjust the text here. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now select the background shape and press Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to shape format, make it subtract. Now this is amazing. Now I am going again to shape fill, go to picture, work offline and I am inserting this one. Now this is perfect. Now at last I am going to insert the video. Go to insert tab, go to video, this device and I am inserting this video. How you get this kind of video? Link are available in the description. Download from description. Now I am adjusting the video here. Video will be adjusted. Now I am going to send the video at back. Send it to back. Now let me show the slideshow. This is just amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos and presentation. Thank you.